So next we will talk about electrical resistance and resistivity. What is electrical resistance? The opposition offered to the electric current in a wire is known as the electrical resistance of a wire, and this is denoted by capital R. This electrical resistance is a scalar quantity, right? SI unit of this electrical resistance is ohm, represented by this symbol and read as ohm, right? Now what will be the formula of this resistance? Resistance actually depends on the length of the conductor wire and area of cross section of the wire. So let us consider a wire of cross sectional area A having length L, right? So this electrical resistance of this wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire and inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the wire, right? So if we remove this proportionality, so R will be equal to some constant into L by A, right? And this constant is known as resistivity of this wire, right? Resistivity of this wire. So R is known as resistance. R is known as resistance of the wire, and this rho, this is the symbol of rho, that is known as resistivity of the wire. Resistivity of the wire. This is also known as specific resistance. Right? So hopefully this formula will be clear. Now next we will talk about on which values this resistance is depending. R depends on firstly, when we see this formula, length of the wire and area of cross section of the wire, right? So these two are the geometrical properties, right? That means this resistance is depending on the geometrical properties of this wire, right? Geometrical properties of this wire. So L, length of the wire, and area of cross section. What is another one? Here is rho, that is resistivity. So resistivity is actually the property of the material. Resistivity is the property of a particular material. Like if we are taking copper wire, right? So that copper will have certain resistivity value. If we are taking aluminum wire, so that aluminum wire will have certain resistivity, and that is the property of matter, that resistivity does not depend on the length, cross-sectional area or volume of that particular material, because this is the property of the material. So this also depends on the property of material, that is what? The type of material. Right? So to find out the dependency of this rho, we can take the original formula of this resistance. During the deduction of Ohm's law, we have got this formula R equal to ME divided by N square tau into L by A, where ME is the mass of electron, N is the number of electron inside the conducting wire, E is the electronic charge, and tau is the relaxation time, and L is the length of the wire, and A is cross-sectional area of the wire. So as we can see, these all quantities are fixed. These all quantities are fixed for a material, right? So this particular quantity, ME divided by NE square tau, that is denoted by rho and called as resistivity or specific resistance of the wire, right? Because for a particular material, the mass of mass of electron that is fixed for each and every material, but for a particular material there will be certain number of electrons, right? And for that material there will be certain relaxation time, right? So these all properties are depending only types of material. That's why this resistivity depends on the type of material, that is the property of material, right? For a fixed material this resistivity is fixed. Correct? So hopefully all the concepts will be clear to all of you. Thank you.